Hi there, I'm Phoebe Wood, Food Director at Delicious, and I'm here to reignite your love of baking with Delicious Bake Club. This month I'm challenging you to make my chocolate, caramel and malt cheesecake. It's got all the good stuff, layers of chocolate and caramel cheesecake topped with a gooey chocolate ganache. What's not to love? Bake it, take a pic and share it with us. We want everyone to get in on the fun of Delicious Bake Club. For all the details, head to delicious.com.au/bake club.